Good morning, friend. Today we are going to be finishing up the shiplap wall, hopefully. But first, we're going to have to go to Home Depot. Let's go. Okay, we just got back from Home Depot. It's time to work on the wall. The first things first, I got to do like a small electrical thing. Basically, I just have to incorporate a TV mount system so that I can raise the plug a little bit higher. And then right after that, we're going to make a box for the Samsung, I think it's called Samsung One box. I'm probably wrong. I'll link it up here. But basically, it's this Connect box for the actual Samsung Frame TV. If you guys are wondering why I didn't cut the electrical in before I put up the actual framing, so am I. I'm trying to figure out why we drilled or bored out so many holes in the drywall. It's because my stud finder decided to tell me that there was a stud right here. So I drilled underneath it to see if I could drill through. The wire actually went through. So I did another one here just to make sure, and it just happened that there was another stud here, but this was the actual one. So it's actually called tie blocking. They put it in between the studs, kind of like this is here, but they put it in between the studs to keep them straight when they're framing the house. So on this one, I had to do that, drill a hole through here. I'll try to get it on my phone and at least show you guys a picture right here. And then we were able to get the wire up. Yeah, it's gonna look like a really bad job, but that's okay because we have this giant wall in the way. 3/4 inch ply. Alright, so you're probably wondering why I did these right here above the 3/4 inch ply and not below. So if you slide the 3/4 inch ply in there and do this, the measurement between here and here is good, but if I put this inch piece in here on both sides, I won't be able to fit the actual box in there. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to actually put up shiplap. Yesterday we put up 2 pieces, I think, because I second guessed where the center point was on the wall. I was off by about 1/4 inch. So make sure that you find that center point. Today we're going to be doing the shiplap, I promise, but we're only going to be doing the sides of it because I don't have the fireplace yet. Well guys, thanks for coming along with us on this little project. We're not totally done yet, so we're gonna get back at this tomorrow and try to finish this thing up. I doubt we are because we still don't have the fireplace. So if you guys like this little series on building the fireplace, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. And remember guys, create what you love. We'll see you on the next one.